Today we are going to draw a picture to show how the light from the sun reflects off the moon to Earth. You will need in your STEM materials bag the tinfoil. You will need your launch log. You will need a yellow and a blue crayon. You will need a pencil, your glue stick, and a pair of scissors. Pause the video to get these materials. We are going to open the bag up and pull out your piece of tinfoil. We need to crumple the tinfoil up. Now I'm going to say do not crumple into a teeny tiny ball because we need to be able to unravel it again. So if you just want to watch, just kind of going to crumple it. We just want to get some creases in it. So that's pretty good. Not too tight. I can undo it then. These creases are going to represent the craters that are in the moon. Okay, so now I've uncrinkled it. Be careful not to tear the foil. If you do, it's not a big deal. We can make it work still. Okay, now we are going to cut this into a circle. What I like to do is I kind of do a curved line around the corners because there's 4 corners because this was a square. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I get a pretty nice shaped circle. These leftover tinfoil pieces will just go in the recycling, or actually I mean the garbage. But we have our tinfoil cut, and this tinfoil again is going to be representing our moon. We are going to be gluing the moon down on page 3 in your launch log. So I'm going to open up to page 3. Here it says glue or tape your moon below. I'm going to use glue. You are welcome to use tape, but I'm just going to use my glue stick. Glue stick works pretty well. I'm going to kind of flatten it out again so I can get some glue on here. There we go. I'm going to glue it on this side. Okay. You want to make sure you leave space over here because now we have to draw our sun and our earth. So first we're going to draw our sun. We're going to use yellow for the sun. And then we're going to use blue for the earth. So make a circle and just color it in. As we've learned, the moon does not make light on its own. It gets light from the sun. So light from the sun, make sure you write sun here, travels through space. So this is space. All that white space is space. So I'm going to write space here. So the light travels through space. It reflects off of the moon. And then it comes down into our eyes here on Earth. And I meant to make this a capital S. If you did not, you should fix it too. And there we go. So again, I'm going to say this one more time. The sun does create light. That light travels through space. It reflects off of the moon and shines down into our eyes here on Earth. And again, the light is traveling through space. Okay? We now need to fill in the missing words. Light from the, well, where does the light come from? Is it the sun or the moon? Light comes from the sun. So we're going to write sun here. And cross it off there. Reflects off the, what's it reflect off of? The moon. And then into our eyes here on Earth. Great job today. That is all we had to do. Now I want you to go tell your parents how we're able to see the moon. Again, it's because light from the sun reflects off the moon and into our eyes. That's how we are able to see the moon at night.